Well, right off the bat, I missed the first turnoff. Don't think it's that one. Either way, they're both dirt, so I can't go that wrong. Let's just see where this goes. Morning everybody, welcome back to Getting Lost Logbook. My name is Jeff and people call me Jeffinitely. Well, I'm really nicely rested up, thank you very much, bed. That was awesome. Feeling way better than I did yesterday. I already ate breakfast, which is kind of gonna be a must until I forget again. Anyway, I took the bike in early this morning, so I'm just waiting on that for the new tires, and then I'll go pick that up and get on the road. So I've figured out a route south. I flipped for south. I'm at a loss for, I don't know anything that way. Anyway, so I've just kind of hodgepodged a route together. It's a mix of dirt and cement. Hopefully it's fun. Either way, it's gonna. I don't know how far I'm gonna get today because I really don't know when the bike is gonna be done. I should show you what we're gonna do on the map. We started up here, Winthrop, and then we went down to Twisp, and then that's when we cut in, and then we did a bunch of stuff over here, and then came down to Chelan, and then from Chelan hopped on the road, did this thing, and then came down here to Wenatchee, and that's where the bike is. Now for today, because I wanted to go up here, there's really cool stuff up here, but either way, we're gonna go in through here, kind of split these two. We're gonna go into here, Ellensburg here, but I don't know when the bike is gonna happen, so we'll see how it goes. The bike is up next. There was another bike in front of it, so now I'm in a holding pattern. It'll probably be an hour and a half, 2 hours to get it done, so I think I'm just gonna hang out and do nothing. What's this? What's this I see? Give that a shot. Good old Faithful on the back. Nice. Alright, let's pay for this and wrap it up. Got my bike all ready, leaving Wenatchee Power Sports where they've got my new boots on and all ready to go. And ready to hit the road. It is almost 2 o'clock, so getting a late start again. But we'll see how far we get today. Well, right off the bat, I missed the first turnoff. I feel like there's going to be a lot of this. But road got smaller, no lines on it, so that's and there's a no road narrow sign. This is looking better. Oh yeah, this is just beautiful. I think it's that one. Either way, they're both dirt, so I can't go that wrong. Let's just see where this goes. See if I'm on it. Ooh. Come on, dirt. Alright. This definitely works. video short but sweet, but I think it's going to be like that all day today. I don't mind. Did it again. I gotta zoom in on that. It's so funny. Alright. Alright. Nothing says I can't be here. Good news and bad news. I found the end of the road. It's a lake, and I have to go back and find the road I'm supposed to be on. Oh, I'm so excited for you guys to get so in puddles! Puddles! The same person that runs their engine in a tunnel also goes through puddles. Alright. Huh. Yeah, this is it. And it is no unauthorized vehicles. That's not good. Okay, I've got to backtrack to that cement, and I can carry on the cement a little bit longer. It'll get me around. And then I think it's another dirt road. Now, I gotta go back past where I came onto this road and take the next right after that. Alright, we're on it. Now I know this road, so I can do it. Here we go. It's me. That's me. I think this is where people go. Look at all these dirt tracks. Now I'm in trouble. I'm gonna stay right. Alright. Log trucks. Okay. I'm always really impressed at roads that logging trucks can go down. We want to go left. We have met up with the road. Here we go. Twice as good a chance now to get rescued. Let's take chances. Take a Ricardo here. This is quite the adventure, I must say. Roads are super rocky, which is fun. And bugs in the eye, also fun.
stuff like this that I love. It's a road like this is like a strainer that gets out all the people that don't want to or don't know to work out how to see things like this and experience things like this. Very fun strainer. Oh, haha, almost missed the corner. Welcome to the hodgepodge. You guessed it, I missed another one. To be honest, I didn't see it. I don't see anything. Hi, cow. And no, I didn't just go back so I could wave to the cow. Thank you, Turbo, for introducing me to waving at cows. Definitely one of the more enjoyable things I get to do on road trips. Oh. Where are we here? We are going that way. There's even two big arrows painted on a tree. How did they know I was coming through here? It's crazy. Oh, more cows. Hi, cows. They are like, what are you doing? Definitely more fun than that road I was just on. So, glad we found this. I had some drone issues, so I kind of hung out of that spot way longer than I wanted to. I'm currently running out of gas as well, but the thing is, I don't know how much further I've got. I don't think I'm gonna run out of gas. Famous last, whoa, shit. But yeah, we got long shadows. It's kind of tough to see where we're going. Because of the contrast. So I'm going to call it a day soon. I'm not sure. There's some camping spots near Ellensburg I can go check out, so that's probably my plan. For now, getting down to ground level. I think I'm going to go into Ellensburg, grab some food to barbecue, maybe? Ooh, I don't know. How do I get the fire going? Alright, scratch that. I'm going to go find a camp spot. There's a camp spot. And then I'm going to see if I can get one that's not too far away. So I can go... Whoa! Okay, I think I'm gonna pull a curveball here and just get a hotel. It is 5 o'clock and the sun is there, so I'm gonna sunset is I think around 6:50, so I don't have enough time to really do all the stuff I want to do. Ellensburg is pretty cool. I'm just coming up with excuses for myself right now. Either way, I am my own woman, so I can do whatever the hell I want, and no man's gonna tell me what to do.
Hi there, everybody. I hope you guys had fun today. I certainly did. It was a short one, but it was a good one. Got to see some wildlife. I saw some cows, and I got a close-up look at a fly. All in all, pretty good day. No, lots of forest stuff. That hodgepodge really came together, and it was great. I loved it. You know, just not knowing where you're going, and I mean, I had to backtrack a few times, but it was all in all a good time. Great time in the forest. Great time up at some elevation, and almost wiped out once. Also, I'm glad you guys liked it. But yeah, it was good. So, you know, I'm not gonna do the coin flip today because I'm gonna try it tomorrow, and you guys can tell me if you like that, you like it in the morning, or you like it at night. That's up to you, so write a comment down in the bottom. But otherwise, you know, I hope you liked this day. It was good. So give me a little mini thumbs up if you liked it, or a thumbs up, or a high five. It's all the same button. And if you want to see what tomorrow brings, which is a coin flip and a bunch of other stuff, then press the subscribe button. But either way, we'll see you tomorrow. And if you can, make someone laugh.
Man, I'm having a blast. I would never have found this. Like, there's so many great places to camp around here. Look at that. The view and everything. It's awesome. Back to the cement.